What is good? Welcome back to the channel. This is Silver Hyena, and for today's video you might notice I'm in a completely different location. That is because I recently moved, and if my voice sounds a little echoey, there's a reason for that. I don't have a living room yet, or a dining room. Everything's empty right now. But I made sure that my kitchen was, okay, well, it may not be fully stocked. Yeah, it's stocked enough to get by. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to make a very easy pouch cooked dinner. Let's get cooking. Okay, so first of all, what I did here was I washed some cilantro. Now then, cilantro is probably one of the biggest pains in the butt to wash. I love cilantro, but I just hate cleaning it. What I've also got is some asparagus. Now then, asparagus, that is the most sophisticated of all the vegetables. Seriously, I love this stuff. Can't get enough of it. But the star of the show, we are gonna be cooking some salmon today, and this recipe is so freaking easy. I can't even begin, but I have to because I'm making a video of it. So, let us continue. This is my first time trying to film in this kitchen, so please forgive me if any of the angles are wonky. Anyways, got some teriyaki sauce, just some standard Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. You can get it in a grocery store. Some minced garlic. Now then, of course, you could always prep and mince your own, but I do not like messing with fresh garlic, so I just like getting the stuff that's already been pre-minced, pre-done. You're all set to go. This is for later. So we've got teriyaki, we've got garlic, and I'm gonna grab that fresh cilantro. It's easier to put it in a bag when I'm not using a hand to try and hold the camera. So this is, like I said, this is so simple, but you want to keep it simple, especially when you're still trying to like, you know, move in and get settled. And even though, yes, I did call this a recipe, a lot of this is just kind of winging it with stuff that I've tried before and was good, like a couple years ago, so I'm trying to recreate that now. So you just pour some teriyaki into your bowl. Now then, this is for 4 salmon fillet pouch thingies. Hopefully that'll be enough. It might not be, I might have to make some more. I probably should have grabbed a spoon for this. My bad. Like, you know what, a fork might be even better. I don't know about you, but I love garlic and teriyaki. Of course, you can always do like garlic and lemon, or like a lemon butter. There's all sorts of different things you can do. Salmon, much like chicken, is a very versatile blank canvas. Alright, so we got that. And then we've got some cilantro. Just rip that up, throw that in here. I mean, like, if you wanted to, you could also chop it up really fine, but I find just ripping it, and then you get that wonderful scent on your fingers. But like I said, it's like, I know that there are some people who love cilantro and others who hate it. Me, I'm one of the ones who loves it. I cannot get enough. Speaking of enough, I think I need more of the teriyaki. There we are. And I am making a mess. Okay, I think this is good. Hopefully. That was easy. Alright, next up, you're going to want to make foil. Oh. Sorry, noisy foil. You're going to want to make your foil pouches. It's kind of like origami here. is take a little bit of our oil. Okay, that was probably a little bit too much actually, but oh well. I actually picked up this particular brush just the other day in preparation of making this video. Now then, the whole beauty of pouch cooking is that the whole thing, it all cooks together. That is what is so nice about this. Whoops, sorry about that. So I'm gonna put some pepper. I'm not gonna salt it because teriyaki has a lot of salt in it already, so you don't really need to add a whole lot more. Anyways, my oven's ready. 450 degrees, people. Almost forgot to mention that. Terribly sorry. Alrighty, now it's time for your fish, however you like it. This was pre-frozen that I thawed out. So you want to open it carefully. Okay, try not to tear up the fish itself. Try not to get that. In fact, you know what, I think, give me a minute. Okay, pat your fish dry with a paper towel just to remove any excess moisture. Well, yes, the whole point is to have this marinade and steam inside the pouch. No sense in having too much excess liquid. So just pat that bad boy down. Put it on top. Okay, and then once you're done with that, now it's time for the fun part. Let's slather this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to mix up more because I like my stuff to be well seasoned, well flavored, marinated. In fact, I even go as far as lifting that up, putting some directly on the asparagus. I mean, asparagus, it's the most sophisticated of all the vegetables. It deserves special attention. There we are. Oh boy, I am making a mess. But you know what? I'm having fun while I do it. Like, you know what? I really think that probably the most tedious part of this whole thing is hand washing in between steps and just prepping the vegetables beforehand. So before I show you the fold, another moment please. Okay, once it's all set and ready to go, then we just fold it up and go origami style. Like, you don't want it to be tight, you want it to be loose, and then, very important, poke some vent holes because you don't want this thing blowing up. Ain't nobody got time for that. So you got your little pouch with your asparagus and salmon fillet. It's all set to go. Put it on a sheet pan and repeat as many times as necessary. So just give me a moment on that. Alright, and then once they're all wrapped up and ready to go, into a 450 degree oven for around 11 to 12 minutes, or whatever the directions say on your particular bag of fish or fish packaging, whatever. Anyways, time to wait. Alright, just pulled them out of the oven. They look great. Let them sit for a minute or two, and then it's time to eat. Alright, so I'm gonna grab one of these, open it up very carefully. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks so good. Gotta get a better look at this. Oh, I cannot wait to dig in. Sorry if it looks a little bit messy, but I just want to eat. Okay, so we've seen how it looks. Now, it's time to see how it tastes. That is so good. The salmon just has a natural... Geez, I'm just trying to get the angle right here. My counters, it's either too low or too high. But anyways, the salmon just has a delightfully sweet flavor all on its own, and paired with teriyaki, garlic, and cilantro. It is just so freaking good. Of course, it's not just the salmon. There's the asparagus. Just as good, marinades well with that lovely teriyaki and garlic. It's just so good. This is so easy and tasty. I mean, pouch cooking, if you're just starting to get into cooking and don't want to do anything too complicated, consider trying something like this. You won't be disappointed. Anyways, I'm afraid that's all the time we have for today's video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you decide to try this out for yourself, comment below. I want to know what you think. Anyways, with that being said, this is Silver Hyena signing off, and I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!